Professor Ho here, and we are going to 3D print a full-size articulating Grandmaster Yoda. Printing itself was very straightforward. It took about 24 hours. I used 3mm layer height with adaptive layering. I used tree support for the head and the arms, but no other support was needed. As for the infills, I used lightning infills in Cura, which actually made the object hollow but gave it rigid structure to be pliable. I've been experimenting with magnets and using magnets for different applications for 3D printed objects. So for Master Yoda, I'm using ceramic magnets and some metal washers to create articulation areas in his arms and his waist. As you can see, using magnets was a great idea to create articulation for Master Yoda. I think I might use this idea for other projects as well from now on. To give a little flair to the print, I decided to create a robe for Master Yoda. I found a really interesting article online about how to create a jacket using a low waist cutting method, which requires less cutting and less sewing. So I decided to use this method to create Master Yoda's robe, which I think came out great. I think I might make this one for my little 3D printed Grogu as well in the future. I might be great at 3D printing, but I'm terrible at sewing. So what I used was fabric tape to tape different seams together rather than sewing. Alright guys, here we go. Our full-size Master Yoda. So Master Yoda is 26, a little bit shy of 26 inches, which is correct for his height. Like we said before, we gave him magnets in his shoulders and his waist to give him a little bit of articulation, and he has articulation in his head. So, so what do you guys think? Please like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.